Hi friends, welcome to SARAL Trader. Today we are going to do the weekly analysis of S&P 500 and some of the selected stocks and some other indices. So let's see. So this week, this is the weekly chart. This week S&P 500 gave a bullish kicker signal. This is basically it closed above the trend line last week and had a very major follow through buying, which is very bullish. And this is very small wick. People were expecting that it will go touch the trend line, go below that, and then move up because it was in a consolidation for almost last 4 weeks, trading below the trend line. However, as I told you, that above until we close below 3720, we will not take short positions, and that's what has happened. If you look on the daily charts, this is the trend line or pivot 2. This acts as a major resistance when it's trading below that. So we made an attempt, we fizzled out, then made another attempt, fizzled out, and then in the third attempt we were able to close above this. And this was a bullish signal. If you look at the last videos I made, we made a major move taking it to 3973 where the resistances start coming in and we sold off the same day. After that, it was expected that we may go down. We did go down if this, and we took the support at the pivot 2, which was the resistance earlier. And it was, and then there was a follow through buying, which actually sailed through. And now we are trading above all the three key pivot areas in on the daily charts. Now we are reaching to a resistance level, which is 4038 to 4050 area. This is going to be resistance. Now there is a possibility that we may move ahead and take this area first, and then there is more resistance coming in, and then we may move and chop around in sideways for some time before going up. What will happen, we don't know. There is a possibility some news comes in and we move up, touch the trend line on the resistance. This is the vertical resistance line or trend line, and then something happens. We are already, if you see from 3820, which was the low, to almost 4020, 200 points, which is around 5% on the index. I had a long position which I booked somewhere here because I had another position in Apple. So this is basically a bullish setup now. And on the weekly charts, if you look at the SARAL system, you will always find that this pivot too, whenever there is a up move, it acts as a resistance. You sell off, then you attempt, then you sell off. When you break above it, the real up moves starts. Until the time you are trading above it, there is a uptrend. So we are trading above it. Now there is a possibility that we may come around, but now this is completely bullish setup on daily charts until we start trading below pivot 1, which is this green line. If you see, we should not be thinking of trading short positions until and unless we are above at least pivot 1. So that's it. And on S&P 500, we'll see Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, sorry, there is one line that I made. Yeah, this is not the wick. So Nasdaq, if you see, we made a bottom around in October, which was 10,700, and 10,700 has been a major support, and it has held for last four. Similar kind of a structure, it went up and it's trading up. Now possibility is that we may start and continue to trade above, and or we go sideways. We will get to know, but we should not be taking short positions now in this index as well. If you look at the weekly charts, this particular area is the the area where we we broke out above the pre-COVID. These were the pre-COVID highs, and this was the pre-COVID breakout area. So this was sensitively charged up area. This was not easily getting broken, and ultimately again a bullish kicker action. There is a possibility that we may chop around or we may go up straight away. You never know, but there is resistances coming in here. I will not go short. If you look at SARAL one system here, it's still not in a buy zone. It's still on a sell zone. So there is a possibility we may get a lot of selling coming in and we go down. I mean, markets find reasons or analysts will find reasons to justify the fall and rise. As technical analysts on SARAL system, we will only follow the price. We don't know earnings will come, what kind of earnings will come. If earnings come, it will go down. If earnings are bad, it will go down. Obvious things, So we will follow the price. Price will tell us what's going to happen. It's a lead indicator. Let's see the small cap index, the RTY. This was the most bullish setup, and this has given significant returns from 1777 to almost 1900. A major move came in this. This is almost 6-7% move, and I could have sailed the whole of it. I sailed half of it, but that's fine. Now it is also heading into major resistances, and we'll see how this shapes up. But frankly speaking, if you look at the smaller time frame on daily, very sharp move. This was the move where I said it's now getting bullish, and then again resistances, and then it sailed swiftly up. Very fast move came in. That's the beauty of Saral system because we just follow the price. We don't follow any news, something. We just hedge our positions and we sell them. So all three indices, major indices, are bullish. This is, the, if my opinion is that there will be some correction in the price after we follow through and we make an high here to 1912, 1920, then there will be some kind of a correction, and then that will give us more steam power to go. Or, what will happen, you don't know, but that is what my plan is. I will only trade long. If you look at the hourly charts, Several system gives you wonderful signals to follow. See, this was a buy signal, this was a sell signal, this was another buy signal. We have a live stream. You can follow it every day, 7 a.m. Central Time. The stream is live. There is no noise, only pure signals on four different time frames: intraday setups and positional setups on S&P 500. You can follow them. Very simple to use. There is a video. I will give the link on it, how to use Saral system. It's a very easy system to follow and gives very accurate results. We are in process of automating this. So once the bot is made, you can reach out to me and we can see how we can deploy the bot for you. Now, quickly looking at some large cap stocks, Apple. Guys, Apple is getting into a very bullish setup now. It made a low of 125 and has retraced and didn't go further down. It broke the support of 130, but now it has reclaimed this support and is now moving towards the next resistance level. There is a minor resistance at 136, and then it's going to go to 130 to 140 kind of a level. It is already trading above the second trend line, pivot 2 line, and now it is going to see 140. If market goes up, the indices go up, it will quickly do that. Otherwise, it may chop around for some time. If you look at the weekly charts, on weekly charts also, this is a very bullish kind of a price action. Now, this candle is high is 135 approximately and low is 128. So at least 6 point move. That is a move till 140 is expected in next 2 weeks at least. You know, so you can go long at least 6 points. I'm saying it can go even further higher. It can go to 150, 160 also. You don't know. At least this much move should follow through. Buying should come in. So that's looking very bullish. Uh, and my big trade that I am personally trading is BBD. This is a banking stock that is completely gone into sideways. There was a major drop. So there is a gap of 359 to 327, almost um, a drop of around 50 points, which is around 10 to 12%. So this particular gap has completely destroyed the setup for this. So it's basically readjusting, and these readjustments can typically go in for 2 to 3 months. Now we are in the third month almost third month has started. So there is a possibility that it may again go down, or there is a range in which it is trading. This is almost 296 on the higher side and 250 on the lower side, a 46-point range. If this range is broken on the top side, we will quickly see a dash to 327 and possibly a gap fill to 354, which is almost um, a 25% move. On the downside, we should not be breaking 2.5 or 2.35. If that is broken, if we close below 2.35, this will get serious and we may get into a major downtrend. This is a bank, guys, so they were bad results. We don't know what is cooking inside the books. But on the price action front, it has shown good price action. I have a significant position here, so let's see how this goes. Um, Other position that I have is in long position. I have is in utilities company called Dominion. Now Dominion is a very large cap. It is selling pretty well. Is finding a lot of supply and resistances at this area and then this area also a similar a rectangle kind of an area. Once this rectangle is broken, 57 to 63, a 6 point range, we will quickly see it moving towards 70. That is going to be the first target. I am long in that. Then we had Neo. Neo I have already covered. Neo is shaping up well. There is a triangle forming here, and this triangle breakout will come, and we will quickly see 16 to 18 kind of targets which are coming in. I initiated a position on Intel. Now, Intel is something that I give to all my subscribers as well. Intel is again showing a triangle breakout, a major falling wedge triangle kind of a breakout coming in, and the targets for this are coming to around 38 to 40 in next 3 to 6 months. So this is one trade. I generally take sync trades only. I don't take short-term trades. And what is the other major position? So these are the things that I'm looking at. Daily, we have a live stream. You can follow that, and also you can subscribe to our channel by clicking on this button. And you can join our Telegram group, and you can take it 30-day free trial of SARAL swing alerts and SARAL levels that we provide for S&P 500 on our website www.saraltrader.com. If you want me to cover any particular stock or any idea, you do let me know. I can cover that in my videos. I look forward to see you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.